Hello everybody, I'm Dr. P. Patrick, and now I'm going to talk about how to press NPV, the net present value. So here is one question, and then it is said that we need to compute the NPV for two of the projects, and I would like to just focus on one project, which is photo stores. And the interest rate for annually is 10%, as you see here, and then for the project, it is a 3 years project, and then we need to pay $1,000 now, and then we will receive $700 after 1 year, $500 2 years later, and then 3 years later we receive the $200. So for how to calculate the results, so here is one of the illustrations. As you can see, there is a timeline in which you need to draw before you do any calculations. For 0, that means the time at present, and we will write down to be minus 1,000. And then 1 means 1 year later, 700. And then 2 means 2 years later, we receive 500. 3 means 3 years later, we receive $200. And then for the next part, if you want to calculate by using the calculator, so you can see the formulas is here. So use back the concepts of the present value of the sum. So 700, we need to divide it by 1 plus 10%, because 10% is, as you can see in the questions, is the interest rate for annually. The sum here will be the value for the $700 at present. So 500 is the values in the 2 years times, and then we need to divide it by 1 plus 10%. But make sure that we need to multiply by 2 times here. And then for the 200s, because it appears for 3 years time, so we need to divide it by 1 plus 10%, and then to the power of 3. So altogether, we receive all the 3 parts, and then at last, we need to minus $1,000. Which we have paid now. So finally, NPV should be 199.84. And then when it comes to the calculators, so here is the calculators, which is BA2 plus. So normally, the first step is that we need to clear all the previous data. So as you see on the top left corner, this is the button of the second. So we press 1 time, and then for the bottom left corner, cancel. So we press 1 time. So as you see, there's a button of CF, which means the cash flow in here, and we press 1 time in it. You can reverse the steps for the steps previously. So that means you can press CF, and then you press second, and then you press cancel, and you can also clear all the previous data. So going back to here on the screen, so CF0 is the numbers which is shown in the screen. So that means cash flow at present. As you all know, we need to pay $1,000 at now. And then since we pay it, so we need to press 1 times the minus sign here. And then in the screens, it will show minus 1,000. And then you need to press enter. So the next step is you need to press 1 times the down buttons. And it is shown that C01, so which means the cash flow at year 1, and then it should be 700, and you press enter. So the next part is you need to press down button for 1 time. So F01, it doesn't matter, it is set to be 1 because you just received 1 time the $700. So you need to press 1 more time, and then it is shown that C02. So we have to press 500, and then you need to press enter. So 1 more time, the down button, and then the next time the down button. So you will see the C03. So the next part is 200, and we press enter. So that's it. So after we have input all the data, so what we need to compute should be the NPV. So you need to press 1 time the CPT, which means the compute, and then NPV. So in here it is appear that there is a I here, which means the market required rate of return. So in another way, this is the annual interest rate. So according to the questions, it is 10%. So we need to press 10, and then we press enter. No need to press 10% because it is set in the calculators that it is percentage already. So at last, press one time the down button, so you can see NPV, and then which is equals to what? So you need to at last press the compute button, and it will show that 199.8497. So for more details about another data for the finance and also statistics, you can come to visit the Facebook or the YouTube by pressing .p, and then there are some Chinese words here, so you can just follow the steps and then press